Oh, there is never any friggin' parking around here. I'm forced to park halfway up on the sidewalk and halfway in the street. It sucks. I gotta fix this bike. I'm gonna start this damn day. Say hi to Hawk. Alright, now this is some of the best damn panda that you can get. Now that's not wild-caught panda that they serve you though. They don't serve the wild-caught panda. They got farm-raised panda that they raise in the back. They slaughter it in front of you and cook it any way you'd like. So there. Oh, let me tell you. You see, this little washing machine right here, right? This thing was retarded heavy. I'm talking like 300 pounds. I picked up bigger washing machines that weighed less. I don't know what they put in this, but it's a Bosch and it's a beast. Friggin' animal. Been alive a long time. Let me tell you something. It's the first time I ever saw a person. I saw a person today, and I looked for a good 2 minutes. Couldn't figure out if that was male or female. That some bitch was person. It's the center of the city, dead center. I'm gonna ride. How can you walk around this person, man? I don't fucking get it. So, like, you can't even follow him to the bathroom because it's a unisex fucking bathroom. So it's just person. Can't tell what it is. Why it's being there. Who robbed you? You can't tell me if it was a guy or a girl. Person fucking did it. Let me tell you about person. About 5'5", 5'8", 115, 125 pounds. Blue jeans, white sneakers, book bag, hat, glasses, dark hair. Oh yeah, also Oriental. So, yep, person comes at you, you're done. Wonderful. Well, I didn't think I'd be, going swimming tonight. Holy shit. That rain's heavy. Ain't no joke, boy. It's coming down. Always fun. Seriously, that's how bad it has gotten. Unreal. That's funny though. That's absolutely funny. So you're either a man, woman, or that. Damn shame I got the streetlight pollution, but man, that sky's lighting up hardcore. It's weird though, a lot of flicker and lightning, right? No thunder. Strange. I came across this corrugated steel, so that's what I've been doing for the past hour, loading this corrugated steel onto my truck and bringing it to the scrapyard because, gas isn't free. So my truck makes its own gas money. Old playground, good times at the scrapyard, baby. Good times at the scrapyard. That pile of scrap's probably about 60 foot tall, maybe 40. It's been a long day, and I've still got like 8 hours to go. I'll be sleep driving. You're going on my story. It's a sandpiper right there. It's not a seagull. It's a coastal bird all the way in Philadelphia. He's pretty big too. Scale. Nice bird. Pretty bird. That's really pronounced. You see a face? It looks like a face. That cloud looks like a face. Right in the center. I wish I could get it better. You see like the ear and the eye comes down to like the nose. I like this. If God wanted us to filter our beer, He wouldn't have given us livers. That's the Jackaroo. That's like from 1990. The rabbit with the drummers. These guys are jamming. Awesome. Well, figured out why I'm a psychopath. It's because I've been eating paint chips again. But it's okay because it keeps you awake. And that's the idea. Because driving around asleep is not a good idea. So when you're tired, you just chew on the wall. Yeah. Definitely. This is pretty cool. That's the Twisted Metal clown, I believe. He ain't looking too good, though. Nice little setup. Whoa! Mr. Biggers. Has it been a long day, Mr. Bigger? Oh, hi. Oh, long day. Philadelphia. Let me tell you, there's an endless supply of scrap and food. And Mr. Bigger.